Welcome to our video exploring the role of weather in Illinois' spring planting season. As farmers gear up for another year of planting, understanding the intricate relationship between weather conditions and agricultural success is more crucial than ever. We'll take a closer look at key factors such as soil temperature, rainfall patterns, and frost risks, along with how varying wind conditions and humidity levels influence planting decisions. Join us as we dive into the timing of planting, long-term forecasts, and the overarching impact of climate change on Illinois' agricultural landscape. 1. Soil temperature. Soil temperature is a fundamental factor in the germination of seeds. For many crops, the soil must reach at least 50 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure successful planting. This temperature threshold is crucial because seeds require a certain warmth to begin the germination process. Imagine trying to wake up in a cold room. It's tough, right? Seeds face the same challenge in cold soil. Farmers often use soil thermometers to keep track of these temperatures, ensuring that the soil is warm enough for planting. Failure to wait for the right temperature can result in poor seedling emergence and weak plant growth. Thus, understanding and monitoring soil temperature is a key practice for successful spring planting in Illinois. 2. Rainfall patterns. Rainfall is another essential component of the spring planting equation. Adequate rainfall is necessary to keep the soil moist and support healthy crop growth. However, the balance is delicate. Too little rain can stunt growth, while too much can waterlog fields, making them unfit for planting. Picture a sponge that's too dry versus one that's soaked. Neither is ideal for nurturing seeds. Farmers in Illinois must keep a close eye on weather reports to anticipate rainfall patterns and plan accordingly. Proper drainage systems are also essential to manage excessive water, preventing delays in planting and ensuring that crops have the best chance to thrive. 3. Frost risk. Late spring frosts pose a significant threat to newly planted crops. Just when farmers think it's safe to plant, a sudden frost can damage or even kill young plants. Monitoring weather forecasts is crucial for farmers to avoid such risks. They often have to make the tough decision of whether to plant early and risk frost, or delay planting and risk missing the optimal growing window. It's a bit like a game of chess with Mother Nature, where every move is critical. Understanding frost risk and planning accordingly can save farmers both time and money, ensuring that their crops have a fighting chance. 4. Wind conditions. Wind is an often overlooked but significant factor in the planting season. High winds can lead to soil erosion, blowing away the topsoil that is rich in nutrients. This can be particularly damaging to young plants that have just begun to grow. Farmers need to be strategic, using techniques like windbreaks or cover crops to minimize erosion. It's similar to using a shield to protect against harsh elements. High winds can also make planting equipment difficult to operate, leading to delays. Thus, understanding wind conditions is essential for planning and executing successful planting operations. 5. Humidity levels. Humidity levels play a subtle yet important role in plant health. Optimal humidity helps maintain the right soil moisture levels and supports healthy crop growth. Too much humidity, however, can lead to diseases, while too little can dry out plants. Think of it like the Goldilocks principle: not too much, not too little, but just right. Farmers need to be aware of humidity levels to adjust their irrigation practices accordingly. This helps in creating a conducive environment for crops to flourish, ensuring a successful growing season. 6. Timing of planting. Timing is everything in agriculture, and the planting season is no exception. Weather conditions dictate when farmers can plant their crops. Excessive rain can lead to delays, while dry conditions may prompt earlier planting. It's a bit like catching a train. You need to be at the station at the right time. Farmers have to carefully plan their schedules, considering both short-term weather forecasts and long-term climate trends. This careful timing ensures that crops have the best possible start, optimizing growth and yield. 7. Long-term forecasts. Long-term weather forecasts are invaluable tools for farmers. These forecasts help in planning crop rotations and selecting the best crop varieties for the expected growing conditions. It's akin to looking into a crystal ball, offering a glimpse into future weather patterns. With this information, farmers can make informed decisions about what to plant and when. This forward-thinking approach minimizes risks and maximizes the chances of a successful harvest, providing a roadmap for the planting season. 8. Impact of climate change. Climate change is altering the traditional weather patterns that farmers have relied on for generations. Shifting temperature averages and altered precipitation patterns can disrupt planting schedules and affect crop yields. It's like navigating a ship in shifting waters, requiring constant adjustments. Farmers in Illinois must adapt to these changes, using innovative techniques and technology to stay ahead. Understanding the impact of climate change on spring planting is crucial for future planning and sustainability, ensuring that agriculture in Illinois can continue to thrive in the face of new challenges.